That's hit high. That one's out of here. Nice shot. Some great fielding has created a chance out of nowhere.
The batsman's innings comes to an end. He'll be disappointed with that dismissal. Everyone's up for this one. The bowler is backing himself to get the decision overturned.
Impact in line, wickets hitting.
The replay clearly shows the umpire's initial judgment was...
Nice shot. That's hit high. That's big. What a shot. What a delivery. Great bowling.
Celebrates as the batsman trudges back to the pavilion. A big fielding side. The batsman's departure changes the complexion of the game.